She gives me love, 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 crazy love. She gives me love, 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 crazy love. Hi, today we'll learn how to play Crazy Love, the R&B version, covered by Brian McKnight. The original was actually a song of Van Morrison back in the 70s. It's a great song, but today we'll learn the R&B version, obviously. So what I'll do is I'll play the chords first, and then I'll show you guys step by step the chords that he plays and the way he plays them. Okay, so let's start with the verse. So the first chord is a suspended 2. Okay, so A suspended 2. The second chord is a C sharp minor 7. Okay. The third chord is a D6/9. Okay, so the way you play the D6/9 is similar to a C added 9, right? But up in the on the 5th fret, and then you bar the 4th string on the 4th fret, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, the way I count the string is, the top string is the 1st string, and then the bottom string is the 6th string. I realize that in a lot of times, it actually gets counted the other way around, but just for my purpose, that's how I count it. So you bar this 4th string on the 4th fret. Okay, so essentially your index is pressing on the 3rd string 4th fret and 4th string 4th fret. Okay, 4th fret. Okay, so all right, and then the 4th chord is a B minor 7. Okay, and then the last chord is an A. All right, and the way he plays it is in terms of finger picking is really just, he starts from the bass note and just plays all the chords from the top string to all the way down. So right. Okay, and then here there is a bit of a run that he does. So D6/9, C sharp minor 7, B minor 7, A. Okay, so in real time, okay, so that's how the verse gets played. Now when he plays it the second time, there is a hammer on and pull off in the C minor 7, so C sharp minor 7, right? So okay, and sometimes that D6 sharp 9, the way he plays it, he plays it with a up strum, down strum, so right? Every way it sounds good. Okay, so moving on to the chorus. So the chorus, again, it's gonna sound like this. Okay, so the first note is an A suspended 2. G sharp minor 7. Okay, so you only play the first string, the third string, and the fourth string. Sometimes he plays the fifth string as well. It sounds a little weird, but yeah, so that's why we only play the three strings. And then the third note is F sharp minor 11, which is the exact same shape, just moved up to the second fret. But this time we actually play the fifth string open, and it's open. Okay? And then the fourth note is an E7 suspended 4, which we just lift our thumb. Okay? And then the fifth chord is a D6/9, which we learned earlier. Okay? And then the last chord is an E added 2. So the E added 2, when it's played live, it's actually on the 7th fret. So essentially he only plucks the second string at the 7th fret once, and then he lets it ring out, and then he does a hammer on and pull off from the 9th fret to the 7th fret. So, okay. On the record, he plays the E added 2 here. Okay. So the E added 2 is essentially an E, but instead of playing the E note here on the second fret, third string, it gets played here instead, right? So this is the first string, 4th fret. Okay, so again, if I have to replay that, it sounds like this. The second portion of the chorus is I'll play it again and then I'll show you guys the chords. Okay, so the chords there are A suspended 2, G sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 11, B7, D6/9, and then A. So, okay. Moving forward to a bridge. So it sounds like this. So the chords are the first chord is an E added 2. The second chord is a D6/9. At this point we actually have no new chords except and then the third chord is an A chord, A major. And then we repeat that a second time. And then the third time, E added 2, D6/9, And then instead of going to an A, we go to an F sharp minor 11, and then a B7. Okay? And then another B7, and then a D6/9, and then an A. Okay? And that's practically the whole song. You know, it's a great song. So, you know, hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Okay, so it's gonna sound like this. I can hear her heartbeat from 1,000 miles. Hear the heavens open every time she smiles. When I come to her, that's where I belong. Then I run into her like a river strong. She gives me love, 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 crazy love. She gives me love, 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 crazy love. Yes, I need her in the daytime. And oh, yes, I need her in the night. I want to throw my arms all around her, to kissing her good time. Right? And that's it. Enjoy.